Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me. It did compensate me to review and just make you a video to show you a little bit about what's in this kit. This is a 2,000 piece flat back gem rhinestone kit. Now what that means is different rhinestones. These are flat back. That means you can apply them to nails, you can apply them to jewelry, you can apply them to phone cases, whatever you want to do for a craft. Put a little bit of glue, boom, you can attach it really super easy. Now these are from 1.5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. That's the sizes, so 1.5 to 6 millimeters. These are round crystals. It does come with a tweezer, and this is it's like a little pencil, but you can actually use this to apply it as well because it's sticky. You can use this pencil as well to apply the actual stones. It's very reasonably priced. Comes with this nice quality tweezers. I'm just going to show you a couple of these, what they look like, and give you an idea on the size. So here is the 6 millimeter. Let me just pull one out here. So you can see here how they look on the tweezer. You can see how they look. They're really nice. They really have a lot of bling to them. They're flat in the back. You can see here. So you can apply them to a nail. You can apply them to, like I said, jewelry. You can apply them to anything you want, any craft item. You have a watch, whatever you want to do, you can actually apply these. And it comes with the tweezer, and it comes with this pencil. And the pencil's for the smaller ones. A lot of times you would just attach it, and I'll show you here real quick. You just tap at the bottom of like this here. You can just see how it sticks, and you have a little bit more precise control when you want to apply the stone, which is actually I like that quite a bit. So it does come with a pencil. It comes with, like I said, 2,000 pieces. Great DIY project. You can do this with any project you want with 2,000 different stones here, and they're all round and they're all different sizes. So you got, again, from 1.5 to 6 millimeter. It comes in a case, just like you see here. So everything's all included in the case. And let's pull out another one here. Let me pull out a little bit smaller one. I'll show you that one real quick. Let's pull this one out. Again, you can see how really nice and shiny these are. It's just a really cool thing. Take a look at that. Hopefully you can see that. So it's got a lot of versatility. These are great for nails. Like I said, people are putting on the nails. You can put it on any way you want, really. Anything you can think about putting them on, you can actually put them on. Again, 2,000 pieces, 6 different sizes, with the black, like the tweezers, the nice little rhinestones, and they're flat back for craft items, for jewelry making, for all kinds of items. So this is definitely a nice quality item. Definitely gonna recommend this. If you're looking for nice quality, fun stuff, 2,000 pieces, you're gonna have a lot of fun. It's definitely a great item. Thanks for watching. Hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to follow the channel for more. I appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at the next review, and thanks for watching.